The slow genetic poisoning of humanity, Ractopamine exposed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's equal parts shocking and fascinating. The slow genetic poisoning of humanity. Yes, you heard that right. Our everyday meat might be harboring a hidden danger called ractopamine. Stick around, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how this growth drug is secretly rewiring our biology and why it's banned in over 160 countries, but not here in the US. Let's get started. Ractopamine is a beta-adrenergic agonist. Think of it as a supercharged hormone that tells animals to grow lean muscle and shed fat. Meat producers use it to turn ordinary pigs and cattle into lean, mean, protein-packed machines. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the catch. While ractopamine might boost profits and give you that extra lean burger, it comes with a dark side. It's banned in over 160 countries, including the EU, China, and Russia, yet it's still allowed in US meat production. Imagine if your gym trainer was secretly injecting your protein shake with an extra boost. Not exactly the workout partner you'd want. The mechanism, how ractopamine works. So how does ractopamine work its magic? At the cellular level, it binds to beta-adrenergic receptors. These are like tiny switches on the surface of cells that normally respond to adrenaline. When ractopamine flips these switches, it sends a signal to the muscle cells to pump up protein synthesis and ramp down fat deposition. This is why animals fed ractopamine gain muscle mass faster and with less fat. It's a bit like having a corporate manager in your body shouting, "Cut the fat, build the muscle, and make it lean, people." Now here's where it gets really concerning. While ractopamine is hailed for its efficiency in livestock, studies have shown that it might be doing more than just boosting muscle growth. It interferes with beta-adrenergic receptors, and believe it or not, that can potentially rewire your stress and muscle development genes. Research suggests that exposure to ractopamine can lead to neurological and cardiovascular issues. We're talking about increased aggression, high blood pressure, and even weakened immune responses. Imagine if every time you took a bite of your burger, your body was being subtly reprogrammed. Not exactly the kind of bio-upgrade anyone wants. Next time you're stuck in a traffic jam, you might just find yourself a bit too eager to fight, thanks to a side effect of your favorite fast food. Now let's come to the genetic connection. Let's get a little geeky for a moment. Our genes are like the blueprints of our body, and beta-adrenergic receptors play a key role in regulating how our cells respond to stress and develop. When ractopamine hijacks these receptors, it doesn't just boost muscle growth, it could also trigger changes in gene expression. Essentially, it might be rewiring parts of our genetic code, affecting everything from our stress response to our heart function. Picture your DNA like an old-school computer, and ractopamine as a virus that's rearranging all your files. Not exactly what you want running in the background. So why is this happening? Corporate greed and regulatory loopholes. Many big agribusiness corporations push for the use of ractopamine because it makes animals grow faster and leaner, boosting their bottom line. Despite its known risks, powerful lobbying efforts have kept it legal in the US, even though more than 160 other countries have said, "No thanks." It's like the get-rich-quick scheme of the meat world, except the catch is that your body might be paying the price later. What does this mean for you? Now, you might be wondering, what does this all mean for me, the everyday consumer? Well, when you eat meat produced with ractopamine, you're not just getting a tasty meal. You're also potentially exposing yourself to subtle yet serious health risks. The interference with our beta-adrenergic receptors can increase stress, cause high blood pressure, and may even affect our genetic makeup in ways we don't fully understand yet. And while the research is still evolving, the silent impact on our neurological and cardiovascular systems is a red flag that we can't ignore. So what can you do? First, be an informed consumer. Look for labels that indicate whether meat has been produced without these controversial additives. Support movements and policies that push for greater transparency in food production. And hey, maybe consider mixing up your protein sources. A little less burger, a little more plant-based protein, or organic options that avoid these hidden dangers. After all, your body isn't just a temple. It's the most important machine you'll ever own. Don't let corporate growth hacks turn it into a genetic playground. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the hidden dangers of ractopamine. If you found this video eye-opening or even a little bit terrifying, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, knowledge is power, and together we can demand a safer, healthier food system. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe. Eat wisely, think critically, live healthily.